How to change language in Blood Strike. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your language setting in Blood Strike game. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Blood Strike application on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the settings menu where you need to go to the left hand side corner and tap language. Inside language, tap the language option at the top and click on the current language right next to it. Now choose the language you want to change to from the list and click confirm. In the pop-up, click OK. Switching the language will log you out of your account and you have successfully changed your language in the game. You can repeat the process for every other language change you want. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.